All right, as you can see, we're at the beginning of day 2. We're well underway with the visor development. You can see they got the protective paper up there. We'll journey over here to the fabrication shop and visit with Cody and Beebs. And then let's do a quick walk around and see what else was accomplished yesterday. It's pretty amazing what these guys can get done in such a short amount of time. Okay, we've got the best fit boxed in bumper with the button lights across the bottom, one on each end. Still working on cab skirt development. Back here, we're stripping it down, getting ready for a duct plate and 13 other things. Were the load lights already in the bunk, or did you put them in?
These 2 were in here. We're adding 4 more.
Okay, it'll have 4 when it's done. So
6 when it's done.
6 when it's done. Yeah. I guess I should get better at my math. Yeah. Let's see what else. Parts everywhere. Exhaust components are starting to show up. Since it was equipped with, what'd you say yesterday, Michael? 120 gallon tanks?
120 and 90 on this side.
Okay. 120 is not as popular as 135 and 150, so we took our def hideaway and shortened it up to match the 120, so that's going together. Okay, we're out here in the fab shop, and here is the mock-up visor they had on the truck last night when I went home. So I'm not sure what's going on, but let's journey back to the shop and see if we can get the rest of the story. Sometimes I feel like I'm going in circles. They said they were over here with the visor. So let's see if we can get the lowdown. Let me find the guys. Okay, we found the gang. Here they are. We've got it kind of hanging up here in position, and we're all seeing it now for the very first time.
So this is our first template visor, complete out of metal. We've prepped it out of cardboard thus far.
So that's 304 stainless.
Yep.
And this, what would you call this? A drop visor, a reverse bow tie? Is it skinnier in the center than it is on the ends?
It is. Beebs, what were the actual measurements on it?
11.5 in the center, about 13.25.
Okay.
So we'll call it like an 11 to 13 bow tie. We do have a design for one that's going to be a couple inches lower in the middle to make it more straight across on the bottom. But other than that, pretty much the same visor.
Okay.
It is just like our Ultra Cab visor, designed to be bolted to your factory brackets, so you shouldn't have to change any of that.
Right on. So are you thinking this is it? Are you going to modify it, tweak it, redesign anything? Or you think we're going to go with this one for the Heishman truck?
I think this is probably the one we're going to go with on this truck. We've got a little bit of bracketry work left to do. Of course, we built the brackets slotted, so they've got some adjustment. So it can move up and down a little bit as necessary. But I think overall this is the one. Yeah, I think it looks good. It still leaves the cab lights fully exposed. Out on the end profile, I mean, it looks real good. A lot of visors look clunky and chunky at the end. This one hangs up there real nice. So what are you guys working on here? I didn't even know we were developing these. Yeah, these are kind of the test fender guards.
Yep.
Of course, we need to taper this side a little bit to fill in this gap between the hood and the fender guard. But pretty simple, clean design. We took this piece off, took the light out of it, kind of dissected this to make sure it was okay to drill and tap this to bolt it on. And as long as you stay within about an inch of that fender, you're good. Yeah. So
this is this metal or plastic?
This is aluminum.
Okay, yeah, so I guess you could bolt to it.
Yep.
Throw on a set of stainless rock guards and keep that classic Peterbilt look. All right, good stuff. Yeah, added bonus. I didn't even know that. All right, making room for the new def hideaway. Everybody meet Corey. Here he is right here.
Man, the myth, the legend.
Now you know, you're out in the public limelight.
Don't lie to people.
As Michael said earlier, we're having to move it forward, re-drill new holes in the frame so that the driver's side will kind of match the appearance and configuration of the passenger side. I don't think there's been a lot of updates. Been focused pretty much right here since last time I was out.
Pretty much, yeah. This is kind of priority 1 right now.
All right.
We've got our brackets and holes drilled. Getting ready to get the tank itself mocked up there.
Right on. We shall check back later.